There he is. Oh man, I caught that on film. He's in there, guys. Oh wow, 12, 14 foot.
Right at me, and I wasn't even looking at it, and then I noticed it. Right there.
Goodness. Good deal. Yeah, I love this channel. It's my favorite. And today's a weekday, so it's super calm, super quiet. What's nice about living here in Apopka and around Mount Dora area is the people are just super nice. So we're on this channel. You go a lot of lakes and a lot of places where, you know, the people come out and they're all Karens and they're saying, hey, you can't fish here. Don't fish near my dock. Not here. Not here in Mount Dora and Apopka. People welcome you to come up and fish and they talk to you. And that guy just gave us a great story about a 12-foot gator that just came up and scared him 2 days ago sitting underneath his dock. He went up there, put his arms over the edge and looked down, and there she was, just a giant, massive gator. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I'm hoping to actually catch some fish, guys. That'd be nice. Got one. Finally. Well, we finally got one, guys. Little guy, but we got one. And that was on the lizard. Welcome to Apopka. There he is. Oh man, I caught that on film. He's in there, guys. He's in there. He's in there. Try it again. I caught him on the dock, Chris. All right, guys, they're in there. Come on, guys. Even on Fridays, it's really hard to fish this. On a tournament weekend, you will not be able to fish this channel because these guys stir the water up so bad with their big motors. Huh? I just got out here. I was right behind you.
Oh yeah, that was right.
Yeah.
I got 3 bass over there by the locks.
Did you?
3 bass and 4 crappie over there.
Small or big? Little schoolies.
I I know one was 4 pounds,
No shit.
2 were 4 pounds, and the other was like 2
Bass.
bass. Yeah, over there by the locks.
No shit.
Yeah, and 4 crappies.
No shit.
Yeah, right there at the lock, bro.
No worries. I've been seeing them go up and down this channel the last 2 days. I knew they were headed to go to Lake
Give it
Apopka.
a shot over there.
They're trying to go to Lake Apopka.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
Before you hit the gate, don't cross the gate right there.
Yeah. I'll go up there.
Yeah, just give it a shot.
I appreciate you. I'm going to hit this little spot and I'm going to head up there.
Yes, sir.
See, that's what I love about locals here in Mount Dora is they just, you know, most people wouldn't tell you, hey, this is our spot. But here in Mount Dora, there's enough fish for everybody to go around. So everybody just kind of shares. And I really like that. So this guy didn't have to stop. Now, he says he just caught 4 bass and 4 crappie up at the lock. But he was... We're going to stay on our trail up here. All right, guys, so we came up to the lock. I followed this guy up here who caught some bass, which he's using some live bait. So they definitely been catching some bass up here, but right now there's 4 guys. And that is the only spot that has moving water. I'll move a little bit away from the lock, and there's no moving water here. So I don't see any bait fish. Took a few casts. I don't feel comfortable wasting the rest of my night here. So let's move on. All right, so we have about an hour of fishing time left, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. We just had some cloud cover come in because there was some rain coming in on the west side of us. Now, I don't think it's going to go over us. I didn't get anything on my weather radar, either on... Went and got his boat. Got Tara with him, and we're now setting up the old Mexican tie-off. I'll just tie it off right to that up there. There he is, on TV. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, don't lose him. Oh, man. Oh, there he is. There he is, I can't believe it. On camera. On camera with Daybreak baits. Right there, baby. This is what we've been looking for all day. Right here, this is what we've been looking for. Oh, he's that big boy. Oh, man. Oh, can't leave it. On camera. On camera with Daybreak baits. Right there. All right, guys, this is Chris Bones Jones with Daybreak baits. Slammed another nice one today. Went out here, it's kind of windy, so I got one of my trick worms. This is the watermelon mist, and I got a little weight on there. You can see I hooked him right at the top of the mouth. Let's get this hook out, let's get him weighed, and let's get him back in the water. All right, Daybreak fans, let's check this out. 3.4 pounds. Nice. Perfect fish for the day. What a great way to finish the episode. Bird does not like him being there. Went ahead and stopped and picked up my buddy Chuck, who's also the forest ranger here at Trumbull Park. So we're going to try to do some more fishing over here on Mount Dora side, get out of the channels. We're out here in the wind, we got a spot lock on, and we're going to see what we can do over on this side. Get him? Fish on. Get you some, Chuck.
Little bass.
All right, we got our first one in this cove. Get her done. Go forward, go forward. Stop. You're good?